Hello, everyone. My name is Allison Daly, and I am currently living in Portland, Maine. I actually just moved here from a small shoreline town in Connecticut in November, so I'm brand new here and I'm loving it so far. Um, I got my bachelor's in allied health sciences from UConn, and since then I primarily worked in patient care related jobs, including EMT, medical scribe, and my latest job was as a medical assistant at a local urgent care. Um, and now I really did enjoy that job, although during the COVID pandemic, obviously it did become a little bit exhausting, but I still loved the patient care. Um, I've always been interested in public health and research, and decided to get my MPH to explore the field and its opportunities a little bit more. The job I'm working in now is as a research coordinator at the Maine Medical Center in their critical care unit. And the project that I am working on looks at differences in post cardiac arrest outcomes between rural and urban areas of Maine. It's one of a few projects funded by this COBRE grant, which stands for Center of Biomedical Research Excellence. It's funded by the NIH, and so it's a really comprehensive and multifaceted project, and I'm really enjoying it, and it's been really rewarding to be a part of. Um, I especially like that almost every single week I can apply things that I've learned from this program as well as past healthcare experiences. Um, but I would like to learn more about identifying community needs in this course, as it will give me a better understanding of the disparities in the community and how exactly to address them. I hope to learn a little bit more to apply as well in my current internship with the Portland Public Health Division. So a little bit more about me. I'm part of a large family with 6 kids, and I'm one of a set of triplets. We're the youngest, and we're all really close, and we really enjoy spending time together. I also really enjoy baking and anything outdoors. So I primarily distance run, hike and bike, and mountain and road bike, but I'm hoping this year to learn how to cross country ski since there's just so many really pretty trails around here and it'd be a really fun activity. So it's been nice learning a little bit more about all of you, and I hope you learned a little bit about me, and I'm looking forward to working with you all during this course. Thank you.